Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, as you can see, we are going to be making some Nando's chicken and some chips with some sweet corn and garlic bread. So if you like to see this, you should definitely keep on watching. So the ingredients are up on the screen, guys, and I'm also going to put it in the description box for you guys to reference to. And I hope you guys try this recipe, and if you do, don't forget to put it in the comment section down below about what you think. And actually, this is the second time I'm trying this recipe, so let me know what you guys think in the comment section. So once I've added all the ingredients, I'm going to be blending everything up, and I'm also going to be adding some Nando'S marinade and some Nando'S extra hot sauce. I like Nando's extra hot, like not extra hot, but when I go to Nando's, I order my chicken extra hot, and then when I get my sauces, I put extra hot sauce. I just like spicy stuff, and it just tastes better for me according to my taste buds. So go as you please, guys. Reduce the spice as you please. After blending up all the ingredients, I'm going to be poking my chicken so that I can allow the marinade go into the chicken properly. And this recipe actually makes 700 ml of sauce, so once you're done with this sauce, you can actually keep the remaining and use it for another set of chicken, so you can reuse it for future use. Before adding the marinade to my chicken, I'm also going to be adding some spices as shown on the screen, so just to get all the flavors in together. And I'm going to be pouring my marinade, not everything, and I'm going to be refrigerating this for 24 hours because I just like every seasoning to get into the chicken. I don't believe in marinating your stuff for 30 minutes, 40 minutes. I don't do that. That's why I meal prep. So I know if I want to eat something, I marinate it a day or two before, so everything's just juicy. You get me, guys? You get me? So guys, excuse my bag, and because I had to improvise, not that I don't have gloves, but I couldn't be asked to get it, so I just used the clean bag. I fold the inside out. Actually, I folded the inside out, and I just used it to rub the chicken because it does the job, because I didn't want to get all the spicy, because this thing is so spicy, like, so I don't want to get it on my hands, so I just improvised and I used this, and I just marinated everything into this. Oh my god, this looks so juicy. I actually want to eat this again right now because I'm actually currently hungry, and I wouldn't mind this. Oh my god, and it's actually finished, guys. So enjoy this video, guys. Make sure you make this at home and let me know your feedback about this. So like I said earlier, I'm going to marinate it in the fridge for 24 hours, and once that is over, I'm going to transfer it into a baking tray. You can put a foil on your baking tray as well, just to make it tidy and clean. And I'm going to be putting this in the oven for about 30 minutes. I'm also going to cover it with foil so that all the moisture is sealed into the chicken, and I'm going to be putting my oven on 200 degrees Fahrenheit, actually Celsius. That's what we use in the UK. Yeah, 200 degrees Celsius. So guys, I took a bit of the sauce and I just want to heat it on the pan, and just to create another sauce for the chicken so I can glaze it while it is grilling. So I'm just heating this up on the pan, and I just added a bit of oil just to add some bit of moisture, and then I'm going to be using it to glaze this on my chicken. During this process I had to multitask a lot, so I'm just going to put my chips and my garlic bread. I didn't make it from scratch, I bought it from Lidl. I'm just going to pop this in the oven while the chicken is cooking, so everything can be ready at the same time. And while the chicken is done, after 30 minutes, I'm going to pop this on my grill pan, and I'm going to grill it on each side for 20 minutes, and I'm going to glaze it with the marinade like I said earlier on. After glazing it on each side for 20 minutes, I just transferred it back to the baking tray, and I put some glaze on it again. And I'm just going to pop it in the grill, in the oven, and I'm going to use the same grill pan just to grill my corn, because that's the only grill pan I had. So I just decided to grill everything on the pan, and everything will just get ready at the same time: the garlic bread, the corn, and the chicken. And there you have it, guys. That's basically the end of this recipe. Oh my god, look how good this is. Oh my god, this looks so good. I don't normally order garlic bread at Nando's, but I just decided to try this, and it actually tasted quite alright. I literally had a quarter of this garlic bread, and it tasted okay because I just wanted to have the old Nando's experience. And there you have it, guys. My chicken came at the same time as my chips was done, my garlic bread was ready, and my corn was ready because I don't like cold food. So I basically served it on a plate, and it was delicious. My mom loves it, everyone loves it. So yeah, I hope you guys love it, and definitely try the recipe and let me know in the comment section, guys.